While keeping track of what your clients owe you is important for your incoming cash, staying on top of what you owe your vendors and suppliers is just as critical for protecting your business credit and managing your upcoming outgoings. This is your accounts payable, or AP. Instead of printing out massive vendor balance detail lists every single week to calculate your short-term debt liabilities, you can track it live using a dynamic graph right on your main cockpit dashboard. Today, I'm going to show you how to design and add a dedicated accounts payable chart straight to your Performance Center interface. Let's jump right in. To find your visual tracking workspace, look over at your left-hand navigation bar and click directly on the main Reports menu. From there, head straight into your Custom Reports tab at the top, scroll down through your available modules, and select Performance Center to pull up your graphics hub. Once your visualization hub loads, head over to the top right header area of the grid and click the green Add Chart button. This initializes our configuration wizard where we can select our core KPI target from scratch. QuickBooks gives you a complete library of data source templates to choose from, like expenses, accounts receivable, and cash flow. Because we want to monitor our unpaid vendor bills today, go ahead and select the accounts payable template card layout, click to highlight it, and hit Continue. Now you're inside your design workstation. Right at the top, you can select your visual layout style, toggling between crisp vertical bars to easily analyze your upcoming bills month by month, or a continuous trend line to watch your liability cycle momentum. Over on the left-hand pane under the Customize section, let's lock in our formatting fields. Click into the name box and give your chart a clean title, like Accounts Payable Balances. Right below that, use the Time Period dropdown to select your timeline tracking baseline. We'll set ours to this year to date. Once your layout filters look exactly the way you want them, slide down to the bottom right corner of the screen and click the bright green Add to Dashboard button. The customization panel snaps shut, and your beautiful new Live Updating Accounts Payable widget is officially pinned onto your main cockpit. Now you can check your real-time outstanding bills and manage your vendor payment timing every single time you open up your books. If this quick charting setup guide simplified your visual dashboard layout today, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that join button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.